Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see the basic of crochet like how to hold the yarn, hook and slip knot and chain. So this is the yarn which you are going to work with. So we'll tell this as the working yarn and we'll be holding this working yarn in the left hand side and hook in the right hand side. So we'll be holding the hook like this and we'll be placing the yarn between the forefinger and the thumb like this. So now we are going to do the slip knot, which is the first part of this crochet. We will wrap the yarn round the forefinger like this and bring it like X shape and hold this part with the thumb and take the working yarn and place it above the forefinger. So place it like this. If you see, this is the yarn which we wrapped first and we have placed this working yarn on the top of it and bring this circle on top of the working yarn and pull the working yarn through the circle to form the knot. So this is known as the slip knot. So you can see one more time. First we have to place the working yarn between the forefinger and the thumb. Wrap the one end of this working yarn through the forefinger this and bring like X shape and place the thumb on this joint part where both the yarns get touched here. Next bring the working yarn on top of the circle through this forefinger. Bring this circle like this and pull the yarn through the circle and pull the tail of the circle. So this is the slip knot. Now insert the hook. So this is what we say the loop. You can pull this to tight. So now we have learned how to do the slip knot. Next we are going to learn how we have to place the yarn in the hand. So we are placing the yarn in the left hand. We'll wrap the working yarn through the forefinger and we will place the stitch between the middle finger and the thumb. Next we are going to do the chain. We are going to do yarn over. Yarn over is nothing but placing the yarn on top of this hook like this and pull the hook and the yarn through the loop like this. So if you see here, you can find a V shape. This is what we say it as chain. Next we can move the middle finger and the forefinger on the top of the chain which we have done. And for the next yarn over, that is you are going to place the yarn on top of this hook, yarn over, pull the hook and the yarn through this loop like this. So you can see the next chain. So V shape, it's known as next chain. So we have to make this loop little loose and this working yarn should be free while you make the stitch flowing through this forefinger. So next is yarn over. Placing the yarn on the hook, pull the yarn and the hook through the loop to form the chain. So yarn over, pull the hook and the yarn through the loop to form the chain. So this is how it looks and this is what we say it as chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. As you do the chain, you can move your middle finger and the thumb to the stitch which you've done recently so that it will be easy to maintain the tension of the work. So this yarn over, pull through the work. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. So the chain looks like this. So if you see here chain, it's a V shape. So this is known as one chain. Next V shape, second chain. Next V shape, third chain. So in this chain, if you see, they tell this as the back loop. This is the front loop and if you turn the chain you can see a bump like this. So this is what we say it as the third loop. So if chain, it is like a V shape in structure. This first loop is known as the front loop. The second loop is known as the back loop and if you turn your work you can see a bump at the back. So this is known as the third loop. So this is the basic foundation chain. So this is how the chain looks. The symbol to represent the chain is, so this is how we will represent the chain and on pattern you can see the chain will be represented as CH. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you, friends.